Mouse. You will learn. Student will be able to identify the mouse as an input pointing device. Handle the mouse while working on the computer. Use the click buttons and scrolling on the mouse pad. Move the pointer on the screen that moves with the mouse.
This is a mouse. The mouse is the computer's pointing device. It acts as an input device. It has 2 or 3 click buttons and a ball at the bottom. When you use the mouse, you will see a tilt arrow known as pointer on the screen. The pointer helps in pointing and selecting the objects on the screen. To move the pointer on the screen, you will scroll the mouse on the mouse pad. The pad on which you move the mouse is known as the mouse pad. To hold a mouse, keep the mouse on the mouse pad. Place your palm on the mouse and hold it with your thumb and last 2 fingers. Place your index finger on its left button and your middle finger on its right button. Come on, children, let's learn a few good habits.
Good habits. Always use the mouse pad as it keeps the dirt away from the mouse.
Functions of a mouse. Clicking. Clicking the left button once on any item will select that item. Double-clicking. Double-clicking opens the selected item. Double-click means to click the left button twice in a short interval. Dragging. To move an item to a new place. To drag an item, you press and hold the left button on that item. By keeping the button pressed, move the item and release it. Scroll wheel. Scroll wheel is used to scroll on the screens and pages. This works faster than the arrow keys. Let's learn something more about the input devices.
More to know.
This input device is called a mouse because of its tail-like cable. The first computer mouse invented was made of wood.